for today we have chicken parm. Homemade chicken parm. See that? Alright, let's eat. Hungry. Where should I cut it first? Maybe here. This just came out of the oven. See all that? Can you see the steam? Hot. Some spaghetti. That's good. I use like rosé sauce, not tomato sauce. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. I've been wanting to cook this since like 2 weeks ago, but I was lazy. Bread. My drink. I got this bottle from IKEA. How do I open this? It is nasty, by the way. How is it?
It's good.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get me some more cheese for my pasta? My wife said she doesn't want to be in the video because she's full. We ate shrimp today for lunch. Buttered shrimp and some corn.
Is this enough?
Thanks. Did you taste it?
Yeah, it's so good. The chicken isn't dry. It's so moist.
Yeah, I fry it for a little bit and then I finish it in the oven.
I think I might finish this, sorry.
I told you, still just eat. I made 2 chicken parm. See?
Because it's good. It's so good.
Nugget is here. Everybody's here now. They came to join the party. Do you want to taste it? Does she want to taste it?
Let's see.
Put lots of cheese.
He doesn't want it.
And pasta?
Oh no.
Bread?
No, the juice. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it because I'm not a big fan of chicken parm. Plus, like most of the chicken parms at the restaurants, like they always come out dry.
Some people, they fry it too much.
And it's chicken breast, and I prefer dark meat, so.
Oh, do you want to try? I'm not sure if you want.
Maybe cut it in half.
But she doesn't want the sauce. I know her. Nugget doesn't like with sauce. Wow, that's hot.
With the cheese, there's so much cheese.
Chicken? Chicken? It's like it's a no for me. You want it or
I
no?
showed them like this piece.
Yeah.
So she got me like my own piece, and look at that.
She's like, yeah, sure, why not? This is good.
Where'd you find the breading?
I used the panko.
Oh,
I thought we still had
the Italian one?
but I just used panko. Mix it with some fresh parsley and some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. That's good. Now she wants it. Up. Up. I think Nugget would like the cheese. Cheese?
There's actually so much cheese.
Yeah.
Like the...
Nice and golden.
And your breading isn't too thick.
Mm. Cheese. Nugget. Up. Up. Here.
I feel like that girl's gonna win.
Where is that? American Idol?
Yeah.
We're watching American Idol. American Idol? Canada's Got Talent. No, American Idol.
That's kind of weird though, because this is like American Idol, but there's a Canadian girl.
Yeah.
So isn't it like a prerequisite that for you to be an American Idol, you have to be American?
Maybe not.
But come to think of it, like people who like compete at America's Got Talent, a lot of them aren't American.
I think you can compete. It doesn't matter where you're from. Wait. Here. It's hot, huh? Up. Wow.
Is she eating the cheese?
It's like a freaking kangaroo.
You want cheese? Baby?
She wants the cheese.
So spoiled today.
She's like looking at me. Up. Here.
No.
Here. She's like, no more jumping.
You told them what we had for lunch today.
Mm-hmm.
And Nugget ate half of my lunch.
He had buttered shrimp and some corn. And Nugget recently discovered
Shrimp.
that she likes shrimp. She didn't used to like it before. I don't know why. Maybe because I don't know who gave her shrimp. Me?
I think you did.
I think I gave her shrimp recently, and then she's like obsessed.
And that's a problem now. Whenever we buy shrimp now, you have to
She waits for you to peel it for her.
peel it
Because
for
we
her.
usually get the shrimp with the shells and stuff. That's why I don't like the... It's okay, like the shrimp with the peeled shrimp is fine. But I think the shrimp with the
Head.
the shell and the head, I think for me personally, is more flavorful. I like it better. Even though you have to peel it.
And every bite that I take, so every shrimp that I peel, half of it goes to her.
He's waiting at the corner of the table. Good.
Doesn't she like salmon too?
Yeah, she likes seafood now. She evolved.
She likes salmon and shrimp. She's got expensive taste.
I'm gonna save this for my breakfast. But, okay, I'm gonna give you one more. Up. So, that's it for today, guys. So again, next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.